A while back, I did a video on the Vivaldi browser and how it was being licensed, because a lot of people in the Linux sphere, they look at Vivaldi and say, oh, that's just proprietary software, but that isn't really a fair characterization. So what I was saying in that video was that Vivaldi makes use of a dual licensing system. So the backend for Vivaldi is licensed with a 3-clause BSD license. Now, this is the same license that you use on Chromium, so unless we're going to make the argument that Chromium isn't free software, then the backend for Vivaldi must be free software. Now, the argument changes when you start talking about the UI. So the UI is proprietary software, and then when you download the binary for Vivaldi, that is going to be proprietary. But to say that the entire thing is proprietary isn't really a fair characterization, because you can go and use the backend and go and build a new UI for it. But the thing that makes Vivaldi special is the UI, so they decided this is what we're going to make proprietary, and then maybe one day we're going to change this. So when I made this video, the Vivaldi team actually really liked this, and I got reached out to by, I think she was the community manager for Vivaldi, and what happened is they decided to send me a package. Now, this video isn't sponsored or anything. See, right here, Vivaldi. This video isn't sponsored. I run the Brave browser. They didn't tell me I have to say anything, but because I have this package here, I thought, why not make a video out of it? So I don't actually know what's in this package. I know what it says on the thing. It says the t-shirt, a bottle, and some stickers. It does look like that it got opened, and that's because customs got at it because, I don't know, maybe they thought it was drugs or something. So let's go and open this and actually see what's in it. Now, I don't actually have my camera set up properly to do this, so I'm just going to pull stuff out of the package and then show you what's in it. Now, let's find out. So, first thing we have. This was making a bunch of noise when it was sitting on my floor, so we have a bottle here. It's not a big bottle. It says, oh, there we go. It says Vivaldi on it. So, I don't know. It's how small is this? It's not a very thin wall, so it's going to contain about as much water as you'd expect a bottle to have. Oh, also, can you see it? There we go. I must have stepped on it or something, because, yeah, now there's a dent in it. Can I fix that? Nope, I think customs just had their way with it, so I might not have stepped on it. I think that, maybe it got damaged with something sitting on it in, transport, but that's fine. It's not really that big of a deal. I'm not going to use this bottle anyway. I've got my... Someone does want to sponsor me. I've got my Camelback bottle here. It's a really nice bottle. I'd really recommend it, especially if you like cycling. They are a bit expensive, but I still think it's a really nice bottle, and they're an amazing company as well. Oh, is there something on here that wasn't listed? There's something in here that wasn't listed on the package. We have... we have a little mouse pad that says, Vivaldi, your browser matters. So, yeah, if I needed a new mouse pad, that's cool. I'll just show you what my mouse pad actually looks like. So, if we just move this here, can we see it? Can we see the edge? There we go. No, you can't really see it. Okay. Anyway, I have like one of the really big desk mat things. So I think that this little guy probably isn't going to be my next mouse pad, but if I happen to need one, then it's better than having nothing at all. I'm just going to put that down because it's making a lot of noise. So the next thing that we have in the package is... We'll leave the shirt to last. Here we go. We have a card from Vivaldi. So it says, greetings from Vivaldi. Has a picture of them, presumably somewhere in... Where is this from? Presumably somewhere in Norway, but I don't know where. If someone in the comments is from Norway and can tell me where this is from, or if they happen to know where it's from, then let me know. And on the back, it's got some text here. Let's see if I can read it. Dear, I think that says dearest. I'm not very good at reading cursive. Dearest B. So it doesn't even say my name. There's plenty of space for my name on here. They just didn't bother to write it. So they could have said Brodie. They could have said Mr. Robertson, Brodie Robertson, anything like that. But no, it just says B. That's fine, I guess. Not really that big of a deal. And then I think that's supposed to say we? Right there. There. I think that's supposed to say we, but that looks like an H to me. We love what you do. Best wishes, cheers, Vivaldi. That's cool. Thank you for the postcard. And the next thing that we have... What else do we have? Oh, wow, there's way more in here than I initially expected. Oh, that actually is kind of cool. Okay. No, that I do like that one. This is a pen. It's got like a wood grain sort of feel, and actually does feel like wood grain as well. So it actually might... Yeah, it's like a cork... You probably can't really see it. It's like a corkboard sort of wood with like a wood grain finish. It's a pen. I presume it's a black pen. Do I have some paper I can show you? Let's see. No, it's actually a blue pen. Okay, sure. There you go. I don't need to show you... Yeah, my handwriting's terrible. I don't really need to show you how a pen works. That's cool, though. I do like that. I'll probably keep using that. I would have liked it to be a black pen. Maybe there is a black pen in here. I don't know. There's way more in here than it said on the package. Maybe that's why Customs opened it, because if they were sending more than they claimed they were sending. Oh, there feels like a second pen in here. Yes. Okay. Presumably this pen is a black pen, but there's nothing on here that I can use to distinguish them, so that would have been cool, but hey, let's find out. Is this one black? Where'd my paper go? Here we go. Nope, it's a second blue pen. Why did they send me 2 blue pens? I don't understand. Sure. Oh, thank you for the pens. I don't know when I'll use a blue pen because pretty much all like government documentation needs to be done in black pens, so it's cool. I'll appreciate the blue pens. Maybe I'll need them at some point. Let's grab the next thing. Where's the bottom? I don't want to pour everything out. I don't know how much is even left in here. Oh god, there's... There are more pens! How many pens are you sending me? Okay. This pen numero 3, is also a blue pen, and pen 4 is also a blue pen. How many blue pens are you sending me? Oh, this one is broken and doesn't close, so... Like, as you can see, no matter what I do, it seems to be stuck, so maybe you have to pull that one apart and get that one fixed. Thank you for all the blue pens. I don't need this many blue pens. I think I'll be good. Okay, tell me there's not another blue pen in here. I just found another pen. It's gonna be another blue pen, isn't it? I guarantee this will be 5 blue pens. Okay, Vivaldi, we need to talk. Why did you send me 5 blue pens? Of all the colours. I would get red. Red would be interesting because, you know, your logo's red. Black would make sense because, you know, you use black pens to do everything. But why did you send me 5 blue pens? I don't understand. Anyway, let's move on to the next item. I think we're out of pens now. I think that's all the pens they sent me. I feel... Oh, here we go. We have some... Is it a sticker? Yeah, it is. So, we have one that says Vivaldi.com. He's going to see it without... There we go, without the glare. We have other stickers. We have... They didn't just send me 5 stickers that say Vivaldi.com, did they? We have a second one that says Vivaldi.com. We have something that's not the same thing. What is this? I don't really want to show the knife on camera just because YouTube doesn't like knives. Oh, it's a, I guess this is like a stickable badge sort of thing that I can stick on my computer or something, and it's the Vivaldi logo, but in green. I'm sure there's some reason why it's in green. I don't use Vivaldi myself, so I couldn't actually tell you what the deal is there, but that's actually kind of cool. I'm not a big fan of stickers or badges, but hey, that is kind of neat. Maybe one of my mates will want that. Let's find out what else is left in here. There's another Vivaldi.com sticker. Alright, okay, sure. 3 Vivaldi.com stickers. Is that all the stickers? What else do we have in here? Next thing is this. Oh, okay, this is just the shirt. Okay. I think that's the last thing in here. Nope, Oh, we have stickers that don't say Vivaldi.com. Okay, I'll leave the shirt to last, as I said. We have a red Vivaldi logo sticker. Presumably, this other Vivaldi logo sticker is also a red Vivaldi logo sticker. And that would be correct. Cool. And what is this? What in the world? Are these... Oh, I guess these are little badges. What is this? What is this supposed to be? I have no idea. It has like a little thing that slides out as well. But it has these little white things on the back. I'm guessing those are supposed to be so I can stick it on things. I'm not entirely sure though. Yeah, so I'm presuming they're badges. If some... Maybe I'll check afterwards. I thought they might have been Vivaldi branded USB sticks. That actually would be kind of cool. I actually would use those on a daily basis, but I think that's everything now. So let's see what this shirt looks like. They never actually asked me what my shirt size was. I think they think I'm fatter than I actually am. They sent me a large. Oh, I found a third Vivaldi logo stick. Okay, anyway. This one. What does it say? Vivaldi, if you browse more than you sleep, Vivaldi.com. I will go and cut back to when I have this shirt on, and I'll show you what it looks like. Boys, I think we've made a massive mistake here. So it turns out this shirt is a V-neck. I don't know why they sent me a V-neck. I think they look kind of weird. Also, it turns out the large fits me way better than I had initially expected. So, one thing I didn't notice earlier is that there is a Vivaldi logo on my right arm here. It doesn't look like it's the best printing. It'll probably disappear after, like, I don't know, 3 or 4 washes. I don't know. It doesn't look like a great print. And then all of the text is on the back. So the front of the shirt, there's literally nothing here. It is just a grey shirt. And I think this is a massive missed opportunity for them because I actually would go and wear a black Vivaldi shirt that has like a giant red Vivaldi logo on it because I want to troll people and I think that would be a fun way to do it. This one, I'm not a big fan of grey shirts to begin with. I feel like they're a bit boring. I'd much rather just go all the way and just wear a black shirt instead. But it's not a terrible shirt by any means. So I know that this was a very different sort of video from what I normally do. Most of the time, random companies don't send me things. I actually do appreciate it. Even though you guys sent me 5 blue pens and 3 of the exact same sticker and then 3 of another of the exact same sticker, I do still appreciate it. You guys are the first company who have ever actually sent me anything like this. And even though I don't use your browser on a day-to-day basis, I do think this is actually really cool that you are reaching out to people in the community who are actually talking about your products. A lot of companies just won't bother to do that. So if you are looking for a different browser, maybe try out Vivaldi. I used to use it, I think like 3 or 4 years ago, and it was a perfectly fine Chromium browser. So I don't have anything bad to say about it. I stopped using it because I like my free internet money that Brave gives me. So I think that's going to be pretty much everything for me. But before I go, I would like to thank my supporters. So a special thank you to Chris, Joachim, Donald, Corbinian, Andre, Nathan, Monster, Chico Bento, Joseph, Mitchell, Pitty, Road, Tony, Tushar, and all of my $2 patrons. If you want to go and support my work, there'll be links down below to my Subscribe Star, Patreon, LibrePay, all of that sort of stuff. I've got my podcast, which is Tech Over Tea, available basically anywhere. And then this channel is available on Odyssey, Library, and BitChute if you want to watch on a platform that isn't YouTube. So I think that's pretty much everything for me, and I'm out.